sa ilalim ng tree. Yung kidlat, tinamaan yung tree. Electrical forces were propagated to this 22-year-old male because nasa ilalim siya ng tree. And he is now in cardiac arrest. We now start the scenario. Lights off. Close the door. This man was hit in the red by a lightning strike. Rescuers from Zamboanga, you may start now.
I'm wearing gloves and masks Sensei. Hey, okay? Hey, all right?
There is no response.
Help, I need help. Checking for pulse and breathing. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000.
No pulse, no breathing.
Activate emergency response and get the AED. Starting high, running the CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Hands
17,
only
18,
CPR.
19, 1, 2, 3,
In a
4,
big
5,
hospital
6,
setting.
7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
The
9,
AED
10, 11,
arrives.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Apply pads to patient bear chest.
1, 2,
Apply pads to patient bear chest.
7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Clear! Clear!
Do not touch the patient.
Clear!
Shock advised.
Resume high quality CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clear!
Deliver shock now.
Deliver
Press the
shock in
orange
3, 2, 1.
now.
Shock.
Shock
Resume
delivered.
high quality CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4,
After
5,
one
6,
shot,
7, 8, 9,
After one
10,
shot, there is no
11,
return of
12,
spontaneous
13,
circulation.
14, 15,
We now
16,
call
17, 18,
Zamboanga
19,
City
20, 21,
Rescue.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 8, 9, 30.
One and two. Prepare to transfer the patient and shift to mechanical compression device.
Prior to ambulance transfer, you shift from human compressions to mechanical compression device compression.
Are you ready to undergo the patient to his death?
Ready.
Only 1, 2, 3. Are you ready to put the patient on the spine board?
Ready.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
spare the weight on the head part. Team, are you ready to move on 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Please spare the weight on the head part. Move.
Man on the head, please do the command.
Okay, team, are you ready to put down the patient on 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Man on the head, please do the command.
Okay, team, are you ready to leave the stretcher on 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright, so during ambulance conductions, compressions has to be done with a mechanical compression device. They will now arrive at the resuscitation bed number 1, Zamboanga City Medical Center, and they will now shift from mechanical compressions to human compression. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Okay, team, are you ready to move on 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2.
We will now shift from mechanical compression device to human compressions again.
I'm dead. This is the plan. Team, are you ready to transfer the patient to the hospital bed?